This is Sang Silbai Gurium, Sensor Stu Mira, bringing quick news on the Middle East war. The US military has released footage of a US Navy fast attack submarine sinking an Iranian warship with a single Mark 48 torpedo. The US military claims to have annihilated the Iranian Navy and stated that all of Iran's top leaders have been killed. This is Tehran. You are seeing an Iranian MiG-29 fighter jet flying over Tehran. This is Tehran. There have been intense attacks in eastern Tehran. Mehrabad Airport in Tehran was attacked, resulting in the destruction of several passenger planes. This is Tehran. There was an Israeli airstrike on Tehran, and the city has been almost completely devastated. This is the coast of Bandar Abbas. The Shahid Soleimani was spotted burning and half destroyed. This is Tel Aviv. There was an Iranian military attack on Tel Aviv. This is Beirut, Lebanon. Israeli airstrikes continue to focus on the southern church area of Beirut. This is Jordan. A British fighter jet cleanly intercepted an Iranian drone flying over Jordan. This is Iraq. US forces have raided Popular Mobilization Forces bases in several regions across Iraq. This is the 30th Army in the Kalayte area of the Bartella district, east of Mosul. The Israeli military was hit, but no casualties have been reported. The Israeli military released footage of an attack on a MiL-17 helicopter. It shows the Israeli Air Force's AH-64D helicopter attacking a Shahed 236 drone. The Israeli Air Force said it has dropped over 5,000 missiles on Iran since the operation began, and that its fighter jets are boosting air superiority, especially around Tehran. The Israeli Air Force released footage taken from a missile launcher, showing the destruction of Iran's air defense network in the capital, Tehran. Turkey is removing the debris of Iran's intercepted missiles. Hegseth, the Secretary of Defense, stated that there is no reason to invoke NATO Article 5 over the incident of the missile flying into Turkey. He also said that Iran's military power will be destroyed to the point where it cannot recover. Iran has stated that, out of consideration for many countries around the world, it has not targeted Israeli embassies so far. In response to questions about the current status of negotiations, the Iranian Foreign Ministry stated that they are currently focused on national defense. They also said that it was the United States that caused the negotiations to break down. Qatar plans to fully shut down its LNG facilities, two sources said. It will take about 2 weeks to restart and at least 2 more weeks to reach normal operations. The Omani Navy responded to reports that a Maltese-flagged cargo ship was attacked by 2 missiles near the Strait of Hormuz, according to Omani news agencies. All 24 crew members were rescued, given medical treatment, and are in good health. Vice Prime Minister Maria Jesus Montero said the country will not be subordinate to Washington. This statement comes amid rising tensions with the United States, as Madrid refuses to allow its bases to be used for operations against Iran. Cardinal Pietro Parolin, Vatican Secretary of State, criticized preemptive wars and serious violations of international law in an interview about the conflict. Saudi Arabian Airlines will extend flight cancellations to and from Amman, Kuwait, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Doha, Bahrain, Moscow, and Peshawar until March 6 due to the regional situation. I'll update with a new video if there is more news. Thank you.